Hello, and welcome to Nocti's Carpentry Study Guide. The focus and purpose of this guide is to help you prepare for Nocti's Technical Skill Assessment in Carpentry. The guide is also a good tool for determining the core set of skills that should be demonstrated by someone wishing to enter this career. The test you will be taking is based on something called a blueprint, and it can be found on the Nocti webpage at www.nocti.org. The blueprint also contains specific competencies and skills arranged by major duty area. Let's look at some of those now. If you scroll through, you will find a bar graph indicating the percentage of emphasis on each part of the test. In addition to the bar graph information, this page shows that the administration time is 3 hours and the number of questions is 150. The emphasis has been determined by national industry subject matter experts. Following the graph are some sample questions, and following that is a similar graph of the performance assessment. Following that is one of the sample jobs. We hope this study guide will lead you to success in determining and demonstrating your competence in the field of carpentry. Good luck.